Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 29 of the practice final. Solve the compound inequality 4v minus 4 is more than or equal to negative 8 and 3v plus 5 is more than or equal to 20. Write the solution set in interval notation. So let's solve the two inequalities separately and then we will connect them by the compound statement AND. The first inequality is 4v minus 4 is more than or equal to negative 8. The second inequality is 3v plus 5 is more than or equal to 20. They are connected by this compound inequality, compound statement, which is AND. Let's solve these two inequalities separately. So isolate the v. So add 4 on both sides. So you get 4v more than or equal to negative 4. Then you divide by 4 both sides. So you get v is more than or equal to negative 1. 3v plus 5 is more than or equal to 20, which is the second equation. So isolate the v. So subtract 5 on both sides. So you get 3v is greater than or equal to 15. Now you divide both sides by 3. So that will give us v more than or equal to 5. Keep in mind they are connected by the AND compound statement. Now even though the question is to write the solution set in interval form, we will graph it so that we can interpret it in interval notation. The first inequality is v is more than or equal to negative 1. So if you roughly do the number line, so it is negative 1 over here. So v more than or equal to negative 1 would mean all to the right of negative 1. And the second one, v more than or equal to 5 will be all to the right of 5 including 5. So there is a part of the interval which is shaded both color. So we have used the color black and red in this case. So there is one part which is all numbers to the right of 5 including 5 is shaded both black and red. So when we say the inequality is compounded with the statement AND, that means we consider the overlapping part of the interval. So in interval notation, it is 5 through infinity. 5 is inclusive. So the solution is that is common to both the two inequalities would be the part of the interval that includes 5 and goes up to infinity. So that is the solution set to this problem in interval notation. Hope this video helps.